Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use conditional content inside of Brevo. If you want to personalize your emails and send different messages to different audiences without building separate campaigns every single time, this feature makes it incredibly easy. Before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we put down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which is where I will teach you everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Look at the left sidebar and click on automations. This is where all of your workflows are created. At the top right, click create automation. Brevo will now show you two choices. You can start from scratch or you can choose a template from the pre-built automation section. For this tutorial, we will use the welcome message template because it's simple and perfect for showing how conditional content works. Click on the template, and then you'll see a pop-up window. On this window, click the Create Automation button at the bottom right. Brevo will now take you into the automation editor. Once you enter the editor, you will see three sections. They are triggers, actions, and rules. These will let you build out the logic for your automation. Triggers start the workflow. Action performs tasks like sending emails. Rules help you add personalization and conditions. Now let's walk through the steps in the template. The first one is contact added to list. This means that the automation will activate whenever someone signs up or gets added to your list. As soon as that happens, the journey begins. The next step is a wait 2 days step. Now, a delay gives your subscriber a little break before receiving the email. This helps your messages feel more natural and spaced out. You can increase or decrease this delay rather depending on your messaging style. And the final step is send an email. This is where conditional content comes in. Click on the email action and choose to create your email. Once you're inside the email editor, you can add conditional content really to the section here, to any section actually. This feature lets you display different blocks based on contact tags, attributes, or behavior. For example, you can create an offer block for new customers. If a contact has the tag new customer, Brevo will show a welcome discount. If a contact has the tag returning customer, you can show a loyalty reward instead. You can also personalize based on location. If someone is, say, from the United States, you can show, rather, US shipping information. If they're from another region, you can display localized content or different product recommendations. The best part is all of this happens inside of one single email. You do not have to build multiple versions. Brevo looks at each contact's data and shows the right content at the right time automatically. Once you finish setting up your rules, save the email and go back to the automation editor. You will see your email action updated and ready. If you want to add more steps later, that's fine, like a follow-up email or like a tag assignment. You can do that too. When everything looks right, click the Activate Automation button at the top right. From now on, whenever someone joins your list, Brevo waits 2 days and then sends your personalized email with the correct content blocks for each person. Using conditional content really is one of the easiest ways to make your emails feel more personal. It improves engagement, boosts conversions, and lets you deliver targeted messages without extra work. You only create one email and Brevo does the personalization for you. If you want to get started with Brevo, use that link below. You get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 90 days, and you get a full Brevo course where I teach you everything you need in detail. If you like this video, if you think it helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.